In this video, I will show you the proper procedures in cleaning a computer components and peripherals, the tools that is needed, and the safety precautions while cleaning. The components and peripherals that I will clean are the monitor, keyboard, and mouse. And I will be using a laptop, which in itself includes both keyboard and monitor. In addition to that, I will also do a software maintenance, which includes uninstalling unwanted applications, scanning for malwares, updating drives, and defragmenting hard drives. The tools that are needed in cleaning a computer device or component are: first, the microfiber cloth that will be used to wipe different computer components without leaving scratches or debris on the component. Second is the brush that will be used to wipe off the dust in a computer component. And third is the cleaning solution that will help in cleaning the surface of a device.
Safety precautions in cleaning the monitor. Use microfiber or lint-free cloth when cleaning or wiping the screen. Other cloth could cause scratches and damage onto the screen. Use a damp microfiber or lint-free cloth and wipe the surface gently. Do not proceed in cleaning your computer without unplugging it first to avoid the risk of being electrocuted. Do not spray any liquid directly on the screen as it may damage the monitor. Safety precautions in cleaning the keyboard. Use a damp microfiber or lint-free cloth and wipe the surface and cable gently. If you have a mechanical keyboard, just remove the keycaps and wash it with clean water, then brush the debris left behind on the casing or use an air blower. Do not spray any liquid directly onto the keyboard or casing. It may zip into the crevices and damage the board. Safety precautions in cleaning the mouse. Wipe the surface and cable gently with a damp microfiber cloth or lint-free cloth. Do not spray any liquid directly onto the sensor's lens to prevent damage.
To clean the monitor, first we have to dampen the microfiber cloth by spraying the cleaning solution onto it. After that, gently wipe the screen. We are now done cleaning the monitor. To clean the keyboard, we have to brush the spaces between the keys to remove the dust. After that, spray the cleaning solution onto the microfiber cloth, then gently wipe the keys. After that, we are done cleaning the keyboard. To clean the mouse, you have to spray the cleaning solution onto the microfiber cloth. After that, wipe the surface of the mouse. Also, include its cable. After that, we are now done cleaning the mouse.
After cleaning our hardware components, we will now proceed in software maintenance. First is uninstalling unwanted apps. To do that, go to Settings, then select Apps. Select the application that you want to uninstall, then click Uninstall. Wait for the computer to uninstall the program, and after that, you successfully uninstalled an unnecessary application. Second is malware scan. To do that, go to Settings, then select Update and Security, go to Windows Security tab, then select Virus and Threat Protection. You may click Quick Scan to scan the folders where threats are usually found, or you may also click the Scan option and choose the method of scanning that you think is necessary for your computer. So in my case, I will choose quick scan. Then I will press scan now. After doing that, you should wait for the results. As you can see, after scanning, there are no threats or malwares found in my device. After doing that, we now successfully scanned our device. Third is updating drivers. To do that, go to Settings, then select Update and Security. Go to the Windows Update tab, then click Check for Updates. Wait for the computer to check the available updates for your device. If you have available updates like this one, click Download and Install. After doing that, you successfully updated your drivers. Last is defragmenting your hard drives. Defragmenting your hard drives is beneficial because it will help in speeding up your computer. For more details, you may check the link given in the description. Without further ado, I will now show you how to defragment your hard drive. First is go to Windows search bar, then type defragment and optimize drives, then press enter. Select the hard drive that you want to defrag, then click optimize. So before doing that, you should check under the media type if you are using a hard disk drive or a solid state drive. Remember that you should only defragment hard disk drives and not solid state drives. Defragmenting a solid state drive will lower its lifespan instead of increasing its performance. But it's not that much alarming as long as you don't do it regularly. For the sake of demonstration, I will click optimize. After that, we will wait until the current status turns into OK. After that, close the window. The process is also the same if you are using a hard disk drive. After doing all of those, we are now done in cleaning and doing maintenance to our computer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time.